Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create text box in Microsoft Word document. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. In this video, I will show that create text box in Microsoft Word. Now, going to the insert menu option. Then click for the text box option. Then choose a box. Now click for text box. That's it. This text box is the text fill option. Then it is text fill. That's it. Then you show create text box in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.